Hi, today's demo we're going to show you, I have Node running on Android, so this is the two Android devices. Got the Marvell device board back there. This is the screen for the Marvell board. I have a Google Nexus 7 as a second Android device. These have just booted up. In addition, I have my Linux Ubuntu screen, which I'll use as a mock or a virtual frame. And you probably recognize the standard depict website. I'm going to start out by going to my test environment, my test page. You can see this is detecting various frames. The Keats mock frame is the Ubuntu system. You can see there's a Marvell frame in the Google Nexus 7. So I'll start by doing kind of the same thing I did before, which is casting to the Ubuntu. And you'll see that starts up Ubuntu, and then I'm going to cast just the standard Big Buck Bunny, and see that starting. While that's playing, I'm going to now stop that and go to Marvell. This is our test environment, so let me just, where am I? There we go. Okay, when I push cast, you'll see that changes. And I can do the same thing. I'll stop this guy and start up the Nexus 7, which is a little guy down there running Android. Start that up, and that also starts the frame. So I'll go ahead and cast to the Nexus 7. You can see that's doing Big Buck Bunny again. One thing that's new is I put the resolution. You see this is running at 920 by 541. I go back here and I go to Marvell, and I'll cast again. Load Big Buck Bunny, and you see this is running at 1920 by 1080 resolution. Right now, this is a 4K monitor, but right now I can only run at 1920 by 1080 because I think there's a performance issue with scaling. So if I increase it to 4K resolution, it's jitters all over the place. So right now I'm not dealing with that. This screen, my Ubuntu, is running 2560 by 1440. So it's a little bit higher resolution. It's not quite Ultra HD, but so then we'll try let's try something here. Trees. JPG. Okay, so this is from Marvell. Casting a still image. Do the same with the Nexus. And we'll try the same here. Okay, so now we'll go to this page, cast to frames, refresh list, and we see it detects all 3 frames. Go to Marvell, cache by URL. I don't quite have ID working. It's casting by ID working. It actually works in my test environment, but now with the depict site. So it's casting that. So I'll go ahead and cast to the Nexus. And finally, we'll cast here to my mock frame. And just for grins, let's try explore art. Let's see if we've got a movie somewhere. Okay, standard movie. Find a frame. We'll go with the Marvell frame. And let's try Nexus 7. And finally, we'll do cast to my mock frame. Okay, that's it for now. Next step will be to do adaptive bitrate, but that's another demo. Okay, ciao.